Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Calculus problems like this integral of a second derivative are actually quite simple if you know the right theorem to apply for the solution. First, we use the fundamental theorem of calculus, which tells us that the integral of a derivative is just the original function evaluated at the given upper and lower boundaries. Since we are integrating the second derivative of f, the antiderivative is simply the first derivative. We just need to calculate the difference between f prime of 1 and negative 1. From the table, f of 1 is 2 and f negative 1 is 10. Subtracting 10 from 2 results in negative 8. Well done! Option C is correct. Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs carefully and trust the given table values.